Breaking news, 3 Thai words that will revolutionize your conversations. Good morning, language adventurers. Cody here, broadcasting from the bustling streets of Bangkok where life unfolds in colorful scenes all around me. Today, I'm about to share something that completely transformed my own journey in speaking Thai. Have you ever found yourself in Thailand, struggling to explain that something exists nearby? Or trying to describe an event that happened but couldn't find the right words? I certainly have. When I first arrived in Thailand 5 years ago, I could manage basic greetings and simple requests, but conveying existence or occurrence? That was a whole different challenge. Picture this: you discover an amazing night market with delicious food. You want to tell your new Thai friends about it, but you can't express that it exists. Or imagine you're trying to explain that a festival is happening downtown this weekend. These everyday situations require specific expressions that aren't usually taught in beginner Thai lessons. But everything changed when I learned 3 magical words that opened up a world of conversational possibilities. These expressions act like bridges between basic Thai and truly natural-sounding speech. They're used constantly by locals, appearing in nearly every conversation. Learning these 3 simple words completely transformed my ability to communicate. Suddenly, I could tell stories about what I'd experienced, ask questions about what exists nearby, and discuss events happening around me, all in natural-sounding Thai that locals could easily understand. What's particularly wonderful about these expressions is how versatile they are. Whether you're shopping at a market, chatting with a taxi driver, ordering at a restaurant, or making new friends, you'll use these words multiple times in every conversation. During today's lesson, we'll explore these essential expressions through real-life situations you're likely to encounter. I'll share practical examples that you can immediately use in your own conversations. From asking if there's Wi-Fi at a cafe to describing a traffic jam on Sukhumvit Road, these expressions will quickly become your best friends in speaking Thai. The beauty of this approach is that once you master these 3 words, you'll notice them everywhere in Thai speech. It's like suddenly having a key that unlocks countless doors in conversation. So are you ready to take your Thai speaking skills to the next level? Get ready to discover the expressions that will help you sound more natural and confident when describing what exists and what happens in everyday situations. This is your gateway to more authentic and meaningful connections with Thai speakers. Let's embark on this exciting language adventure together as we unlock the secrets of existence expressions in everyday Thai. There exists, it happened, unlocking essential Thai expressions. An engaging guide to everyday Thai by Cody. Good morning, everyone. My name is Cody, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be your guide on this exciting journey to speaking Thai like a local. Today's headline: 3 simple words that will transform how you describe the world in Thai. Have you ever been in Thailand and struggled to explain that something exists or that an event occurred? Maybe you wanted to tell someone about a great restaurant near your hotel or mention a festival happening in town? Well, today's lesson is going to change everything for you. The magic words.
มีเกิดขึ้น
In Thai, these 3 expressions are your best friends when you want to indicate existence or occurrence. Let me break them down for you. 1.
มี
Sounds like may with a shorter ending means there is, there are, or have, has. 2.
เกิด
Sounds like gate but with a softer ending means born or happened. 3.
เกิดขึ้น
Combines good with kun, up, means occurred or took place. Using
มี
in everyday conversations. Let me share some practical examples of how locals use
มี
to indicate existence. Example 1, you want to tell your Thai friend about a sale at the mall.
มีเซลล์ที่ห้างเซ็นทรัลวันนี้ มีเซลล์ที่ห้างเซ็นทรัลวันนี้
There's a sale at Central Mall today. Example 2, asking if there's Wi-Fi at a cafe.
ที่นี่มี Wi-Fi ให้ใช้ฟรีไหม ที่นี่มี Wi-Fi ให้ใช้ฟรีไหม
Does this place have free Wi-Fi? Example 3, telling someone there's a cute dog at the park.
มีหมาน่ารักที่สวนสาธารณะตัวหนึ่ง มีหมาน่ารักที่สวนสาธารณะตัวหนึ่ง
There's a cute dog at the park. Example 4. If you're looking for food late at night.
แถวนี้มีร้านอาหารเปิด 24 ชั่วโมงไหม แถวนี้มีร้านอาหารเปิด 24 ชั่วโมงไหม
Are there any 24-hour restaurants around here? Now, let's try one together. How would you say there's a beautiful temple in this area? The answer is
แถวนี้มีวัดสวยวัดหนึ่ง แถวนี้มีวัดสวยวัดหนึ่ง
when events happen using
เกิดขึ้น
when something happens or occurs, Thai people often use
เกิด
or the combination
เกิดขึ้น
to describe it. You can use these patterns. 1.
มี
Plus event plus.
เกิดขึ้น
There is plus event plus occurred. 2.
เกิด
Plus event, happen plus event. Let me show you how this works in real conversations. Example 1. Describing a traffic jam.
เกิดรถติดหนักมากบนถนนสุขุมวิท เกิดรถติดหนักมากบนถนนสุขุมวิท
There's a heavy traffic jam on Sukhumvit Road. Example 2. Talking about a festival.
มีเทศกาลอาหารเกิดขึ้นที่เชียงใหม่ทุกปี มีเทศกาลอาหารเกิดขึ้นที่เชียงใหม่ทุกปี
There's a food festival that happens in Chiang Mai every year. Example 3. Reporting an incident.
เกิดไฟไหม้ที่ตลาดเมื่อคืน เกิดไฟไหม้ที่ตลาดเมื่อคืน
There was a fire at the market last night. Example 4. Describing rare occurrences.
ในกรุงเทพไม่ค่อยเกิดแผ่นดินไหว ในกรุงเทพไม่ค่อยเกิดแผ่นดินไหว
Earthquakes don't often occur in Bangkok. Negating existence or occurrence. To say something doesn't exist or didn't happen, simply add
ไม่
before
มี
or.
เกิด
Example 1.
ไม่มีรถเมล์ไปที่นั่น ไม่มีรถเมล์ไปที่นั่น
There's no bus going there. Example 2.
ไม่เคยเกิดน้ำท่วมที่นี่มาก่อน ไม่เคยเกิดน้ำท่วมที่นี่มาก่อน
Flooding has never happened here before. Adding time references. You can make your statements more precise by adding time references. 1.
เคย
Ever, previously. 2.
มาก่อน
Before. 3.
บ่อย
Often. 4.
ไม่ค่อย
Not often. Example.
ที่นี่เคยมีร้านกาแฟดีๆร้านหนึ่ง ที่นี่เคยมีร้านกาแฟดีๆร้านหนึ่ง
There used to be a good coffee shop here. Practical dialogue. Let me demonstrate how these expressions are used in a real conversation between two friends. Anne.
สวัสดีภูมิวันนี้มีงานเลี้ยงที่บ้านฉันน่าจะมาได้ไหม สวัสดีภูมิวันนี้มีงานเลี้ยงที่บ้านฉันน่าจะมาได้ไหม
Hi Pum, there's a party at my house today. Can you come? Pum.
มีงานเลี้ยงเหรอ เริ่มกี่โมง ที่บ้านเธอเคยมีงานเลี้ยงสนุกๆบ่อยนะ มีงานเลี้ยงเหรอ เริ่มกี่โมง ที่บ้านเธอเคยมีงานเลี้ยงสนุกๆบ่อยนะ
There's a party? What time does it start? There have often been fun parties at your house. Anne.
เริ่ม5 โมงเย็นเมื่อเดือนที่แล้วเกิดไฟดับขณะที่เรากำลังจัดงานเลย เป็นปาร์ตี้เทียนไขไปเลย เริ่ม5 โมงเย็นเมื่อเดือนที่แล้วเกิดไฟดับขณะที่เรากำลังจัดงานเลย เป็นปาร์ตี้เทียนไขไปเลย
It starts at 5 p.m. Last month there was a power outage while we were having a party, so it turned into a candlelight party. Pum.
โอ้จริงเหรอ แล้วมีใครมาบ้าง โอ้จริงเหรอ แล้วมีใครมาบ้าง
Oh, really? And who will be there? Anne.
มีเพื่อนๆจากที่ทำงานหลายคนแล้ว ก็มีเพื่อนจากสมัยเรียนด้วย มีเพื่อนๆจากที่ทำงานหลายคนแล้ว ก็มีเพื่อนจากสมัยเรียนด้วย
There are several friends from work and also friends from school. Let's practice together. Now, let's put what we've learned into practice with a few situations. How would you say? 1. There's a good movie showing at the cinema today. 2. Has there ever been a flood in this area? 3. There was an accident on the highway this morning. 4. There's no food left in the refrigerator. Great job! The answers are 1. There's a good movie showing at the cinema today.
มีหนังดีฉายที่โรงหนังวันนี้ มีหนังดีฉายที่โรงหนังวันนี้
2. Has there ever been a flood in this area?
ที่นี่เคยมีน้ำท่วมไหม ที่นี่เคยมีน้ำท่วมไหม
3. There was an accident on the highway this morning.
เกิดอุบัติเหตุบนทางด่วนเช้านี้ เกิดอุบัติเหตุบนทางด่วนเช้านี้
4. There's no food left in the refrigerator.
ไม่มีอาหารเหลือในตู้เย็นแล้ว ไม่มีอาหารเหลือในตู้เย็นแล้ว
Your Thai language journey begins now. Remember, friends, these simple expressions are like keys that unlock countless doors in Thai conversation. Every time you successfully use
มี เกิด เกิดขึ้น
you're one step closer to sounding like a local. The beauty of language learning is that it's not just about memorizing words, it's about connecting with people and cultures in meaningful ways. These expressions will help you share observations, ask questions, and engage with Thai speakers in authentic conversations. I encourage you all to practice these phrases every day. Try describing what's around you, what exists, what happens, what occurred. Each little success will build your confidence and expand your ability to express yourself in Thai. Remember, language learning isn't a destination, it's a journey. And on this journey, every small step counts.
ไม่มีอะไรยากถ้าเราตั้งใจ
Nothing is difficult if we are determined. Thank you all for being such an engaged audience today. We'll continue our Thai language adventure in our next session where we'll learn how to talk about past experiences.
จนกว่าจะพบกันใหม่
Until we meet again.
Like a local.
3 simple words that will transform your Thai conversations. Hello everyone. Cody here, your friendly guide to speaking Thai like a local. Today I want to share something truly game-changing for your Thai language journey, 3 essential expressions that will immediately make your conversation sound more natural. Have you ever tried to explain that something exists or an event happened in Thai, but couldn't find the right words? Maybe you wanted to tell someone about a great restaurant near your hotel or mention a festival happening downtown. These everyday situations can be challenging for language learners. In today's lesson, we explored 3 magical expressions that are the backbone of describing existence and occurrences in Thai. Once you master these 3 simple words, you'll be able to talk about what exists around you, what's happening right now, what occurred in the past, what doesn't exist or didn't happen. I shared practical examples showing how these expressions work in real-life situations, from asking if there's Wi-Fi at a cafe to describing a traffic jam, from telling friends about sales at the mall to explaining that there's no bus going to a particular location. The beauty of these expressions is their versatility. You'll hear locals use them constantly, and once you start incorporating them into your own speech, you'll sound dramatically more natural and confident. We also covered how to make your statements more precise by adding time references like ever, before, often, and not often. And we practice with a real dialogue between friends planning a party. Friends, learning a language isn't just about memorizing vocabulary, it's about connecting with people and cultures in meaningful ways. These expressions are your gateway to more authentic and engaging conversations with Thai speakers. I encourage you to practice these phrases every day. Try describing what's around you, what's happening in your neighborhood, what occurred during your day. Each small success builds confidence and expands your ability to express yourself. Remember, language learning isn't a destination, it's a journey. And on this journey, every small step counts. Nothing is difficult if we are determined. If you found this lesson helpful, please support our channel by subscribing, hitting the bell for notifications, and giving this video a thumbs up. Your engagement helps us continue creating these practical Thai language lessons. Do you want to speak Thai like a local? Do you dream of visiting Thailand and connecting with people in their own language? Then make sure you're following this channel for weekly lessons that will transform your Thai speaking abilities. Thank you for being such wonderful students. We'll continue our Thai language adventure in the next session where we'll learn how to talk about past experiences. Until we meet again.
Like a local.